There's a brand new morning where the ocean meets the sky. A ray of hope for those who stop and wonder why. To each and every one darkness calls, from the great cloud a hard rain falls. I'll be waiting here to pull you through. When evening fades into the blackness of the night, you feel so lonely and you need a guiding light. When the cold wind bruises you, you pray to God He refuses you. I'll be waiting here to pull you through. I am the sun, I'll be rising to shine upon you. I am the sun, and I will be there to warm your heart. New morning, brand new start. For you I am the sun. Rainbow colors follow after hurricanes. There'll be verdant greens proceeding a while torrential rain.